everyone, it's Marky. Today, let's talk about this Eureka 3-in-1 vacuum. I absolutely love this. I love how versatile it is. So as you can see, it does have this little stand right here, the little foot part, and it does swivel, so it makes cleaning super, super easy. This part actually does come off. You just take it off, and then it's just a handheld vacuum, which I absolutely love. And then it also has this little crevice attachment. So if you're wanting to get in like places up in maybe the corners of your house or along baseboards, this makes it super, super easy. It also has this stick that you can just stick in right here so that it works like an actual vacuum if you're doing hardwood, low pile carpets, area rugs, things like that. It works super well. All of the attachments are super easy to release and put back on. This filter in here is washable. And so this is the canister that holds all the dirt and the dust. Super, super easy to empty. And then, like I said, yeah, you can just wash out that filter and it's good to go again. This has lasted for quite a while. I have 4 kids and 3 pets and it cleans up so well. I love to use it on the stairs with this little attachment. It makes it super easy to just get all the stairs without having a big long handled normal vacuum. Yeah, like I said, we've had it for quite a while. We absolutely love it. It works just perfectly. If you are looking for something that is going to help keep your house cleaned up and still have a lot of power and a lot of versatility on how you can clean, I would highly recommend you look into this one. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.